Jason, you stood by a babbling brook.
No, I'm stood by a babbling bloke.
Look, babbling brook.
Yes, I've got a babbling brook beside me, and in front of me I've got a babbling bloke.
Just a minute.
That water's high.
Snowdrops, my missus loves snowdrops. I'll put snowdrops on this video for you. Okay, carry on.
Oh, hang on. We've got to do a shout out.
Alright.
Guy in America, Gary Harriman. I've got a good memory. He watches in South. Why am I pointing that way? That way.
That's south.
In South Carolina. Always
no, that's right, south.
Always watches, always comments and everything. He says, well, he gives us a shout out, so we'll give him a shout out. But I think he wants Kev doing it properly.
Hey Gary, what's the weather like in South Carolina? Because it's wet and horrible here.
Here we are, Kev.
Here we are.
In the deepest wilderness.
Yeah, roughing it. In the wet and the damp and the...
Now I've took over this time. I've asked you to get vans and you've let me down every single time. So I want something that reflects me. Stylish, debonair, good looking.
We haven't got any of them.
Take a look at that.
That's a big van.
That's a good looking van, Kev.
Yeah.
It's 7.75 metres long.
That's long.
And the outside of this van is going to be very quick because it's thrown it down with rain.
Just like rain.
Okay, 2.3
Actually, it's like me. This one. Look. Hi-Style.
Oh, I thought you meant multi-jet.
Hi-Style.
To 2015, it's a Hi-Style 496, Kev. On the Bessacarr, so it's probably going to be the last of the Bessacarrs. No, probably ain't far off the last of the Bessacarrs. I love a Bessacarr, Kev.
Yeah, we've had some 16s and 17s, haven't we?
Yeah, but we're all right, we're coming to the end.
Yeah.
Basically. It was a bit like the Saxons coming towards the end. Or the Vikings.
It's built by Swift, but it's the Bessacarr range.
Yeah. Good looking van.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
Really nice.
Very white.
It's 7.75 metres long, Kev. So it's a biggie. 6 berth, 6 belted seats. And what do you think the freshwater capacity is going to be? 130. 90. Bit of a letdown, isn't it?
Isn't it? Yeah.
Right, waste?
80.
68.
I think for a 6 berth you want a bit more than that.
All the usual on the
I'm
outside.
working my way round to the door.
All the usual. We've got a couple of reversing cameras, 4 bike rack as well. We've got the recessed awning as well. Bit of storage. We've got the
storage is open, Jason, if you'd like to demonstrate while I stand
really,
out. No, because I'm standing out in the rain now. Look, I'm under cover.
There you go. Bit of storage under there. You can see where the leisure battery's kept.
Yep.
We've got the vents for the fridge. Good sized gas locker.
It is
very auto trailish, that isn't it?
It is unlock that.
Is that the hint?
Yeah. Come on, do your job properly.
Is this the world's smallest LPG stick?
Is there a little bottle in there? One of them that you refill your lighter with.
There we go.
Yeah. You might get a 13 in there. No, you wouldn't. No. 26 kg.
So that's something you'd do, that is.
Yeah.
And then again, we're on the new shape.
Yeah.
So it's, there you go. What I'm liking, what just gives it a little bit of panache, actually, Kev, it's the black front there.
Yeah. Yeah. And the silver letter in Bessacarr.
Yeah.
What we're looking price-wise, yes?
I'm just going to tell you what the mileage is, Kev.
Yeah.
But we had a quick look, didn't we? 9,000 miles.
Oh.
So we had a quick look. So we've seen a few of them on the Auto Trader, about £53,000. They are manual. This is automatic. So it's probably going to be a bit more.
But there's also something else on this.
What?
Which would put about another 3.5k on it.
Well, the automatic's going to put 3 or 4 grand on it, isn't it?
Well, there's something else as well that's going to put 3 or 4 on it. Walk this way.
Talk this way.
Walk this way.
Right, Kev, what have you got for me?
What I found, Jace. I found a toy.
Oh, he's found a toy.
Press that.
What's a stereo system?
Yeah. Right. See that there? Look. Watch. Listen.
What am I looking at, Kev?
You'll see in a minute.
The only thing I'm seeing is rain on my head and on the camera. That's the only thing I'm seeing. Oh, 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 oh. It's got self-levelers, cryo, Kev.
It has, Jason. That's just the front coming down. Wait till the back comes down as well.
When does the back come down?
After the front's come down.
Oh, look at that.
Just keep carry on filming. I'll stab you that.
So here we go, here's the back. There's the back going down. Kev, the van's level. Oh, look at that. Minimum effort.
Is it wet out there?
Yeah, I'm soaked, Kev, and you're just sitting there.
Well, it's dry under here.
Right, come on, let's get inside.
Pretty the pub shut. I'll do it from here so the camera don't get wet, Jason.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Got to keep the camera dry, Kev.
I've got raindrops falling on my head.
You getting wet out there? Good. It's about time.
Hang on.
Just put some lights on. It's a big bugger, Kev. I'll tell you what, it's a good looking thing, isn't it?
Just end lounge.
Look at that end lounge.
My wife likes an end lounge.
Yeah. And did you see how they think of you, Kev?
Yeah.
Got your ladder so you can get on the settee.
Why have they got a ladder? Because they haven't got another cab. No other cab.
Well,
Is that something else out there?
No, I'll show you in a minute. Look at this. This is nice.
Yeah.
I like the lighting, everything about it. Now this is going to be an in-depth review because he's thrown it down outside.
Yeah, so we're not doing any more outside.
Blinds. We saw the stories. This is going to be an easy bed makeup, Kev.
Yep. Your typical Swift Bessacarr bed makeup. Yeah.
Just take this out of my pocket, Kev. I'm under pressure here, Kev. I'm on my own. Well, I'm always on my own, even when you're here.
So that makes a nice, good sized double.
It does, doesn't it? Oh, broke it,
Yeah,
Kev.
it's broke it.
This is nice, this is, Kev. Isn't it?
Spacious.
Nice curves going around.
Yep.
As well. Okay, we've got gatch underneath there. Might as well have a look what we've got. Plenty of storage there, Kev.
Yep. Same on the other side, that's accessible from outside on that side.
Yes, we.
I like the gloss effect on there.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, swapperuno.
TV bracket there.
Wardrobe. There's your solar.
Good size wardrobe, you've got solar.
Aerial.
Carpets are there. Sergeant unit down there.
And then we're getting your pretty standard of what you normally get. You're getting a microwave. Right, see that?
Yep.
Look at that. I've done two at this once. See that, Kev? I did two. Like that.
Multitasking, Jason.
That's me. Like surround at the back. Kettle.
Separate oven grill.
We have, Kevin.
Full size cooker.
Yeah. Nice area. Has it? Yes, it has, Kev.
Lift you up a bit.
There we go. Nice worktop, isn't it?
3-way fridge.
Yeah.
I think for a 6 berth I'd like to see a bigger fridge.
Would you? Where are you going to put it? You'd have to put it there.
Yeah.
And you want a wardrobe.
Clothes would be cold if you hung them in it, wouldn't they? Still out on a hot day.
Missing a trick, Kev, aren't they? Missing a trick. Do you want to do a washroom?
Can do, yeah.
It's always going to be a combined one.
It's going to be a wet room, yeah. You've got your bench type toilet. You've got a screen that will pull across here, clipped onto there. And then you've got your wash basin. Good sized washroom, even for a wet room. Even got a step in it for me, Jason. That's a wheel arch, doubling as a step. What's Jason playing with now?
Oh.
Yeah,
I'm going to play. I might have broke it now. Let's just move that around there, Kev. Let's have another go. Oh, it doesn't work. Hang on. I've done it now. Done it, Kev.
Electric skylight.
Electric skylight, yeah. I don't want to open it because it's raining. Yeah, electric skylight there, Kevin. So you've got your two belts, four. Yeah, we've got nice cupboards. Roof's a bit low, but not to worry. I'm going for it, Kev. I'm going for it. I am. This has got to make out to the bed, hasn't it?
It has. Yeah.
Here we go.
Just slot. I'll hold that up for you, Jason, so it don't fall.
It's already held up, Kev. I'm going to put some lights on. We've got a couple little spotty ones there. So my bed is going to be made up like so.
You trap your finger then, Jason? I thought you did.
Like that. Yeah. I am noticing we're getting another one here, Kevin.
Yeah.
So we have options. We can either have a bed here.
Sleep transversely, or man, it'd be a bit short sleeping that way, Jason.
Yeah, but if you're really big, see, this is how they think about this Bessacarr. You can sleep like that.
The fetal position.
Fetal.
Fetal.
That is a small bed there.
Yeah.
That's probably kids.
Yeah.
And then this way.
Yeah, you can sleep 2 kids there.
No, here.
Yeah, just there. Leave that.
Yeah.
Leave that made up as a bench.
But if you're an adult, you can sleep that way.
Yeah, 2 adults even.
We cracked it, Kev.
We've cracked it.
Back in. Do you want to show people the cab? Because it's auto, why I put this back, because they don't want to see me struggling and hurting myself.
It's the Comformatic gearbox. You've got all your controls on your steering. You've got a reverse camera on the mirror there. You've got a bit of a media system there. It's your typical Fiat cab.
Nice looking cab, Kev, isn't it?
You've got your little reading lights here. Like so. Same on the other side. Yeah, nice looking cab. This roof is loaded though, isn't it?
Now you're going to say to me, Jason, I thought this was a 4-berth, 6-berth. I've only found 2. So
Jason, I thought this was a 6-berth.
it is, Kev.
Ah.
We've got 2 there, we've got 2 there. Come forth.
Come forth.
And multiply. I've got a little button here, Kev. Come on.
And there we have a drop down bed.
There you go. Look at that. With a beautiful purple overlay. Pink, sorry, pink.
More of a 2 kids bed, I'd say.
Why can't
I don't know, yeah, you get 2 adults.
Of course you would.
Yeah. Be cosy, wouldn't it? Yeah, it's quite good.
Well, at least sound impressed, Kev.
And that's a control for it now.
Right, let me knock it back up. At least be impressed. Right, I'm going to be...
I prefer playing with that self-levelling.
Well, you would do, wouldn't you? What's your first thoughts of the Bessacarr then?
Nice.
It is nice, isn't it?
Nice finish. Very practical.
Great lounge at the back.
Yeah. Good family van. I'd say comfortably a family of 4, really. I mean,
Yeah, you would go for.
All your 6-berth, you know, they say this, you'd never get.
Keep dragging it out, Kev.
Yeah, it'd be a bit of a squeeze with 6 adults, wouldn't it? You know, a couple of kids and 2 adults.
Have we flattened the battery, Kev? Yeah. Don't forget, we've still got the self-levelers
We have.
to lift up here. There we go, we're back in. Go, yeah, so...
While we're talking, I'll
What are you going to do?
I'll do just that one there.
Okay.
See, you've got up.
What have you got?
That one takes it up,
Okay.
and that one brings it down. See, simple as that.
Kev, you're amazing.
I know. You didn't even know it had got that till I told you.
I know. This is a nice van, Kev.
Yeah.
It is a good family van. I do think, look, we've got the options to take 6. It's
Yeah.
not going to be 6 adults. We
No.
can take 6 adults, but comfortably
You'd
4.
be pushing your payload with 6 adults.
Yeah.
When you think you allow 75 kilo per adult.
Comfortably 4, Kev. It's a stylish van, hence Hi-Style. Loving the lounge.
Yeah, we have taken the carpets up. There is carpets.
Yeah, you can keep that. That's the fresh water tank there, Kev.
Yeah.
I think a waste. It's one or t'other. See it?
Yeah.
You could keep the back one made up as a bed.
Yeah,
if
you
want.
could leave that made up. You've got a nice.
You've got a nice dinette here.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
You've got separation with your curtain here.
Seats will swivel round as well. Where have you gone, Kev? Kev!
Peekaboo.
So there we go, the Bessacarr Hi-Style, quite a nice, it's a nice van, it's a good touring van, Kev.
And with gadgets and gizmos.
Gadgets and gizmos, we've got a levelling system as well, we've got the solar on it,
Expeller, okay.
we've got an extractor fan, just quickly show you, nice simple swift control there, we've got the power, you can view your levels, cabin lights, we've got a frost protector on it, basically telling you everything there, and then we've got the Truma system as well. That's going to be all in. Oh, look at that, Kev.
Oh, you missed them. Oh.
So on that note, if you've enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah. Bye.